I'm Liz. I'm one of the branch managers for Castle Keepers House Cleaning. Is this the first time you've ever considered a job as a cleaning professional? If it is, let me tell you a little bit about the job. There's 5 main things that you want to think about to decide if you're going to be a good fit and if you're going to like this job or not. Actually, whether you're going to like it or possibly love it. All right, so the first thing is, do you like to be busy? Are you one of those active people that really feels good when you do something busy all day long? Or do you like to just sit in a chair and just sort of chill all day long? If you really like to be busy, if it makes you feel good to do something, this might be a good job for you. The second thing is, do you really like to make things look nice? Do you like the feeling of, oh gosh, putting that away and putting this away and straightening things and tidying things? If you really like that, it makes you feel good, this might be the job for you. The third thing is, are you looking for a job? Like a real job where you work Monday through Friday, every day, but you don't have to work nights, weekends, holidays, none of that other stuff. Just a regular job every day, Monday through Friday. Huh? Because if that's what you're looking for, this might be a good job for you. The fourth thing is, do you like to clean? I mean, really? I can't stress this enough. If you like to clean, if you really enjoy it, it's like, oh, makes you feel good to get that dirt off of that surface, whatever it is, right? Something off a counter, something off a floor. If it makes you feel good, this might really be a great job for you. And the fifth thing is, are you already good at cleaning? Because truly, if you're already good at cleaning and you've got those other 4 things and all 5 of these things speak to you, you're going to love this job. You need to check us out. Castle Keepers House Cleaning. Come on, give us a call. You're going to be glad you did.